To use WorldPay Login. Start by navigating to the WorldPay website and click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to a secure login page where you need to enter your username and password. If you are a new user, you can register for an account by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. You will be taken to the WorldPay dashboard, where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other account information. From the dashboard, you can also access various features such as payment processing, invoicing, and reporting. To make a payment, click on the Make a Payment button and enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and payment amount. You can also add a payment description and select the payment method, such as credit card or bank transfer. Review the payment details carefully before confirming the transaction. As a best practice, always ensure that your login credentials are secure and not shared with anyone. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Regularly review your account activity and transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. WorldPay also offers a mobile app that allows you to access your account and make payments on the go. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your username and password. The mobile app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your account and make payments anytime, anywhere. In conclusion, using WorldPay Login is a straightforward process that requires you to enter your login credentials, access your account dashboard, and use the various features to make payments and manage your account. By following best practices and taking advantage of the mobile app, you can ensure a secure and convenient payment experience.